Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, The Random Explorer. So in today's video we are going to be talking about registry, like the baby registry, what it is exactly and how you can have one and what are the benefits and everything. I'll be talking about that, plus what are the free things you all can get when you're pregnant, and we will even be doing unboxing of few of the boxes that I have already received. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Okay, so the first and the foremost thing, whenever you get pregnant, your friends and family are going to shower you with lots and lots of gifts for you and your little one, of course, and you are going to buy for yourself as well, and your husband, like your better half, even they are going to give you lots of gifts and pampering and everything. But who doesn't like free stuff, right? So even when I got pregnant, I started researching on all the free things that you can get when you're pregnant, and to when you come scroll across Instagram, there are many reels also. So even we came to know about many such things, and after doing my own research and everything, I just picked whatever was best for me, and wherever I would like to invest my time, because creating registry even to get a free box, it takes efforts. So I didn't wish to do for all of them, but I had just handpicked few of them. I had seen many videos also on what are the things that you can get along. So yeah, these are my top 3 picks of the baby registries, plus I'll be sharing 2 more details in this video. So yeah, let's start with that. Okay, so first I would like to explain to you what are baby registries. So baby registries are something that you create, we had created it for ourselves, but it can be our major intent was to create it for ourselves, just in order to maintain a list of things that we want to buy for our baby. So what it is, basically it's a website, like Amazon has it, like Target has, Babylist has, Walmart has it. So there are many other different stores which has these registries, and you can share these registry with your friends and family. So whenever you're throwing a baby shower, or even after that when they come to meet your baby, they know instead of giving and gifting anything to the new parents, this registries will help in this registries will help them to gift only the things that you have added. So suppose this is the crib that you want, these are the toys that you want for your baby, these are the certain type of clothes that you want, so you can add everything into that list, and then they will just pick it up from there. They can even order it from there and mark as purchased, and there are options that they can pick up from for themselves, or it can be delivered directly at your home. So that is one of the best thing that I feel, even for the new parents, because of course your friends and family are going to gift you. Even for us, we didn't have a proper baby shower over here in person. We had a virtual one, but still our friends were like, no, we want to gift you something, so please let us know what you want. So this registry really helped us to send to them, and we got gifts only from only the things that we had wished for our baby. So it becomes easy on both the ends, not only on us, but even for them it becomes easy, because they know, yeah, these are the things that they require, and let's give them that only. So to share with the friends and family, the registry that we had created was Babylist, because it helped us to put items from all the stores. We could add items from Amazon or Target or Walmart, many other sites as well. And even Babylist has their own store as well, so we had added items, few of the items from there as well. So this really helped us. Plus there is a gift card option which can go minimum to $5 or $25 or something. So if they don't still feel that no, things are out of budget, or still they are not being able to order anything, they are confused, and they can just give you a gift card and you can utilize it later. And even other stores has it, but if you're opening in Target or Amazon, you can add products only from their website. So that becomes little sometimes there are good deals on Target, there is not there on Amazon. So anything is there, any store is there, you can put it in the Babylist. So we just opted for that. I'll leave a link down below, you can subscribe to that list as well. So yeah, my top 3 picks were, you can see besides me, my top 3 picks were Amazon registry, Amazon welcome kit, Target registry, that also comes along with the welcome kit, and baby list registry that also comes along with a welcome box. There are few terms and conditions that you need to fulfill in order to get all these things, but I'll be explaining it in this video as well. So the first thing I would like to talk about is the free thing that you can get, like absolutely free. So if you are in US, if you have a insurance, you can get a breast pump that is completely free. So all you have to do is, I did it from Aeroflow website. I link it down below in the description box. Just go over there, fill in your insurance details, and then they will give you all the things that are free, like along with your insurance. So I got breast pump for free. Along with that, I got some of the storage bags, like 100 count, and that also took set of 2, plus lactation course, but along with that, like some baby care classes and everything, which are live classes, and someone will be there to attend you. They have certain number of slots and dates and time where you can pick. So I have done that already, but my breast pump is on the way. It has not been shipped yet. All you have to do is just fill in the details. They'll take care of everything for you. There are other websites also from which you can do, like Babylist also has it, but I preferred this one because I was getting these extra perks as well. So there are few pumps which are you have to pay a certain amount, but there are many which are completely free. So make sure that you're doing that. So that was about the first free item that you can get, and really important item. Don't miss out on this thing, even if you are going to do exclusive breastfeeding and everything, but still I would recommend at least have pump in hand, so just in case, you never know, right? And if you're getting for free, it's better to have one. And now next, let's talk about all the registries, and we'll even unbox as I'm speaking. Like I said, I had done for 3, and my 3 of the boxes have arrived. So first, let's start with Target, I guess. So with the Target registry, it is very simple out of all the 3 that I have done. So it is just you have to create a baby, sign into your account, create a baby registry. That also link I'll put it down in the description. And after that, you have to add few of the products, like baby products that are eligible for registry. So you can add a crib or whatever, the some of the toys or anything. I had basically added only 4 or 5 things. That's it. And all you have to do is, there are steps over there written, and you can just go to any of the Target store and collect your this bag, which costs almost $100 that they say. And I had read at many places that these bags are not easily available, but to my surprise, for me it was very easy. I just went there. Even I was with the thing that it won't be there, but I went to the location. I asked I have a registry with you guys, and I wanted to check if you guys have the welcome kit. So they'll just scan the barcode, and they gave me this whole kit. I would give one tip over here: don't go to major running Target areas, major city areas. Go to some of the small towns or secluded places in your area. So for me, I went to, I don't even remember the location. If I do, I'll put it in the over here in text somewhere. We are in Dallas, but I went somewhere little far from where we are staying, and I got it over there. So yeah, it was pretty easy and the most smoothest thing. So let's unbox this first, and then even I'll tell you some of the perks of the baby registry. Okay, now so let's unbox this, the Target registry, which they say it's of almost $100. Let's see. A gripe water sample. Then there is infant formula. And there is Aquaphor. This is for diaper rash cream. These are the forehead thermometers. These are nice. It's just like a tape. You stick it over here. Breast pump cleaning wipes. This is bottle and dish soap. Next is laundries. These are basically all the samples, I guess. Nursing pad and breast milk storage bags. So yeah, these are disposable ones. I guess this is the product that I've got with all the registry. This is basically diaper rash cream. Even I am new to all this, so I don't know. This is moisturizing cream. This is moisturizing lotion from CeraVe. These are water wipes for the baby. Then we have one sample from Dove. Maybe it's a bath wash or maybe a lotion. Then we have Honest clean wipes. Then there is Boogie wipes. Gosh, so many things kids need. CeraVe wash and shampoo. Then there is Aveeno baby lotion. Pedialyte, I guess it's an electrolyte. Yeah, so it has a $3 off coupon as well. Then there is one pacifier. We have one bottle. It's from Philips Avent. It's a colic bottle. Sorry, anti-colic bottle. And then we have one more anti-colic bottle from Dr. Brown's. These are not glass bottles. We are going to opt for glass bottles. But yeah. So this is all that you get from the Target registry, like Target welcome kit that they say costs for $100. I'm not sure on that. Like, this doesn't look like $100 to me, but maybe yeah, these are all just the samples. And the next best thing about this Target registry is that you all get free, two of the important deals. One is 20% off on one item. So these are basically toys item, like playmat and everything is also there. So on one product you can get 20% off, and then there is 15% off on 2 orders. So once everything, whatever things you all need, add it to your registry, and it's valid till 4-5 months even after your due date, after your kid is born. So you have 15% off on 2 orders. So I have already added some of the things that I wanted from Target. We'll place one order now, and one we'll keep after the baby arrives in case we need any more things. So this becomes this is a very useful thing, and it really helps. 15% is a big amount. You are going to save a lot of money in that when you're creating a whole registry. When you see there are so many things a baby needs, so it will really help you, especially with the diapers and wipes and bottles and your postpartum care. Plus there are even on big items like crib and dressers and everything. So it will be very helpful at that time. So make sure that you're using this 15% very wisely. Now next, let's talk about Amazon baby registry. This is little tricky, so make sure that you're following through. So for the Amazon baby registry, in order to get this welcome kit, there are few things that you need to follow. First is that you need to have an active Prime membership. So what I did, I didn't have Prime membership, but I started a free trial which they have, and even the free trial works. So this has been tested. Again, I'll leave the link in the description box below. So you need to have an active membership. Next is you need to add 10 items from the checklist. So every registry will have a checklist. So you need to add at least 10 items to the baby registry that you are creating. Then you need to make a purchase of $10. So this can be you can make a purchase by yourself, or you can even if your friends or family, anyone gifts you from that registry, then also you are eligible to get the welcome kit. So when all these 3 steps are done, they will give you a link, you can track your progress over there, and over there you can claim your free welcome box. So that is how it works. If you don't have Prime membership, this welcome box costs around $35, but this is really worth it. So try, start the free trial and do the things. So now yeah, let's unbox this. So first it has a gift for your special delivery. I'm not sure. So these are some of the, this is a book. It comes with some of the tips for parenting and pediatric care and everything, feeding tips, tummy time tips. So it has this high contrast card. I'm not sure, it has only 1 and 2. Okay, and parenting tips for traveling and take care of your baby. So this is not even a coupon book or something, it's just basically a book. Nursing pad with breast milk storage bag. I said right that I had received it in all 3. Then we have this Palmer's stretch mark cream, and there is even some therapy oil. I had used this in the very start for stretch marks, but later I didn't feel right about this, as these are not all the clean products, clean ingredients. So I just switched to coconut oil and bio oil, and that has worked best for me. I have very less stretch marks. Not that stretch marks are bad or anything, but yeah, if you still like, if you don't wish to have them, then coconut oil, like virgin coconut oil with one time I apply that, it gets little sticky, but that's fine for me. And at night I apply bio oil. So it's only the two things that I have been using. Next we have Shutterfly coupon, which has 50% off on your order, so that's good. Then we have Aquaphor again in here also. It's a diaper rash cream. Next, what we have over here is a bottle. I'm not open this. This bottle is cute. I'm sure Harsh is not going to let me use it. Oh wow, this is very cute bottle. I really like it. But we have thought that we'll be using only glass bottles. No plastic, no lead, nothing. And it has a cute pacifier as well. Pacifier, like we had done classes over here, baby care classes and everything. They had suggested not to take these kind of nipples. Like these are not good for kids. So only one that the nurse suggested me was, she was like lactation expert as well. Nuna baby or something, I don't remember. But you should always take that one. So yeah, just a small tip, like what I learned, I'm just sharing that. Lactation cookie. Next we have this, a cute outfit. It's a onesie and it even has 10% off on the next order. Oh wow, it's a cute onesie, right? So yeah, you get something good from Amazon. I really like their registry, like their welcome box. And next is swaddle. So this is like pure cotton swaddle, which is really good. You should always have that only. Oh, nice print as well. So this is a baby swaddle. So this was the Amazon registry. Okay, so the third registry that I personally had a registry with them as well. Oh sorry, I need to tell one more thing about the Amazon one. So Amazon also, you can get 15% off if you create a registry with them. So one best thing that I loved about Amazon was 15% on every order. Like all the registry eligible items, you just have to add whatever you need to the registry. Over there it will tell you that yeah, this is eligible for the discount, and from your registry you need to add it to your cart and you can get 15% discount. And best thing about Amazon is like you don't have to place 1 or 2 orders. You can place unlimited orders. In every order you can get 15% off. They have a cap though, like maximum order value of $2,000, up to like $300 discount you all can get. But yeah, we're ordering a crib from there and it will really save a lot of money for us. So $300 is not a small amount, right? And on Amazon you can actually get anything and everything. So I really loved that up to like $2,000, it's a big amount and we can save a lot of money over there. Okay, now the third box, that is the Babylist registry. Babylist registry, it's a tongue twister. Okay, so for the baby registry, like Babylist also, you need to add 3 products from any other store. You need to complete 40% of the registry checklist. Again, over here checklist is there and this checklist is very nice. Like we have followed through everything from there only. It has really helped us a lot. Then you need to make a $30 purchase, or your friends and family can gift you anything. So if it is like $30 or more, then you are eligible to get this Babylist welcome box. And in this, like I remember one of our friend had gifted us a gift card and after that we got eligible for this. So yeah, but only drawback for this box is you need to pay a shipping fee that is around like $9 or something. But I would highly tell, this is like, I would recommend you to pay a shipping charge for this, because I'll show you what all the things it has, and these are really useful and good things, not like not like Target or anything. But yeah, worth it. Like $9 are 100% worth it for this. Watch the video till the end, because even I have one surprise box that I have received and that is completely free, so you don't want to miss on that as well. Okay, so the Babylist, it starts with many free coupons. First is you can get, like I said, like breast pump for free. Next there is again free photo book from Shutterfly. This is like, I really loved it. Completely free, and a photo book that for your newborn, for your baby, you really need, like, you're going to have few, I'm sure. So this can help you. Plus there is one free swaddle, like from Little Unicorn, and they have given the coupon code as well. I have not yet ordered this because even in order to get a free swaddle, you will need to like pay a shipping charge over here as well. And we already have got many swaddles, so I don't need it, so I'm not going to use this. Free Will from Trust and Will, costing for around $159. And then we have one more, Oso and Me, the crossbody one piece. I didn't like the style. It has this style, like you can see this baby wearing. I'm not a big fan. Again, you have to pay shipping for this, but yeah, I didn't like the style, so I'm not going to order. If any of these coupons you guys feel that I said I'm not going to order and you guys want it, leave a comment below. I'll definitely share with you because I'm not going to use it. Okay, so now let's start the unboxing. Like even these were in that only, but we have one healthy baby diaper. These are really best diapers. So whatever review I have heard, like according to that, it has 2 pieces sample pack, and I had read some reviews. These are very clean, these are certified, these are like really good. Harsh has done a whole study on this. If you want, you can just shoot a DM, he will help you out with that. And we are going to use cotton diapers most of the time. I just need for initial few days. So yeah, but Babylist Registry has many options which are like clean and healthy, and I really like that. So yeah, this one. Then there is one more from 2 pieces. Yeah, Kudos baby diaper. Then we have KinderCare bath essentials. So it has, I guess, body wash and lotion. Not opened it. Then we have again Aquaphor. This also came in all 3. I like this because that was just like a sachet kind of thing. This comes in a tube, so you can I'll put it in my travel pouch. But I'm not going to use Aquaphor again. We are going to use coconut oil. I'm just sharing the things even that we are going to use, just in case if you guys are into clean ingredients and everything, because we really like to follow as much as we can. Not telling that we won't be using anything else, but yeah, we are trying to do that. So we just coconut oil has been best for me as well in stretch marks, so we thought even for the diaper rash and everything on baby also we'll be applying the same. We already had a talk with nurse as well, and we are good to go in that. Then we have Vivian Bloom wash and shampoo. Then yeah, see, Nano Baby. This is the pacifier that I was talking about. So these are really good pacifiers and suggested by our lactation consultant as well. Again, we have lactation cookie, water wipes. Okay, these are Parasol diapers, again in size 1, and these are again 2 diapers. These comes these are printed, I guess. So this has some prints. Breast milk storage bags, and even we have 15% off on next order as well. And these are the same bags that even I'll be getting from insurance. So I said and set of 100 I'm going to get, 2 set of 100 in fact, completely free. So I don't think I need to buy any more bags for storage. Then this is, unless and until we find a cleaner version, maybe we can do a jar method, picture method as well. Let's see. Again, these nursing pads and storage bags. Then we have Honest water wipes. Honest is also good company, you can go for that as well. Probiotic supplement and 15% off on the order. Something from Wellmints. Okay. Then we have $2 off on diaper rash cream, the same one which we got in Target as well. So these are 2 different sachets plus $2 off. Then again we have Palmer's belly oil and stretch mark cream. Then there is postpartum capsule. I don't know what it is. And we have 15% off on that as well. Philips Avon bottle. This is a natural bottle. The earlier Target one was anti-colic, right? So yeah, this is the one. And we have one more baby bottle. This is also cute. This is a silicone bottle. Herobility. Oh, this doesn't work. It should be round. Actually, like the nurse had said us, it should have a like, you know, whichever pacifiers or bottle feed if you are doing, then like similar to your nipple it should be there. So don't use these. She suggested and I'm just telling, whatever you do for your kids, I'm sure it's going to be the best. Oh nice, we have a bib over here. Parker baby bib. Oh, cute one. I like the color as well. Again, this has 15% off if we order from Parker baby anything. We have, oh my god, this is the best thing, a cute hat. I'm going to put this on their little one for sure. I really love this. And it has 25% off on next order. Oh, look at this. This is so cute, right? And one more item we have from here. Like I said, Babylist registry was really amazing. The welcome box, even if it costs $9, it is 100% worth it. All the free coupons you get along with that and everything. This is again a diaper rash ointment. And we have one onesie with 20% off on next order. Look at this. Nice. This is the Babylist registry box and 100% worth it. I would really recommend, even if you go for this or this, I would not like you know push you so much, but this is worth it, guys. Like, you can see all the products, and mainly these are Babylist registry has good products as well, like honest. And last that I said you that, you know, at the end I'm going to talk about one surprise box. So this is the Wonder Box, and I am not sure how I got this box. So the thing is, I have, like, after I got this box, I started seeing few of the ads where the baby club, I guess, Your Baby Club, link I'll keep it down in the description. So Your Baby Club, they had sent, I guess, because I can see similar all these kind of boxes on Instagram, and I don't remember, but I feel that I had once subscribed, but it never arrived or nothing. But certainly I got this one day. So yeah, even this box is in fact good. Not the best, I would say, but you're getting it for completely free, so I'll just say that, yeah, take it. Basically, this has formula. Comes with 2 containers of baby formula. It has, wait, I have not even opened this. I don't think I should open because I'm not going to use it. And if any one of you want it, then just comment it down below. I will try if I can ship it to you guys. I'm not going to use this, so yeah. Okay, it has few of the coupons as well from the same brand. $5 off coupons. There's many coupons actually. 8 coupons in total, $5 off each. And it comes with few of these extra coupons as well. HelloFresh coupon. Enclosed are some of the gift cards. Let's open what it is. Even I have not seen this box because the day this box arrived, we had our gender reveal party and everything I just dumped in. So today when I removed, I came to know, yeah, even I have to talk about this. So there is a $10 to $50 gift card on custom snappies. Oh, I've got a $50 only. Wow. Customized snappies. Oh, I'll need to check this. Okay. Then there is custom pacifier. It has like $25 to $100 value. I got for $30. So these are the custom pacifiers. Like breastfeeding cover, again $5 to $100. They've given me for $35, which is again good. Plus Little Wonders gift card for $60. Okay. Canopy Couture, $50 gift card. Okay. I'm not sure if someone has gifted me this or this is Your Baby Club only, because I've seen these kind of boxes on Your Baby Club only. So I just hope it is from them only. We have Love Every Play Kit, $20 off on any of the play kits. Shutterfly, we have 50% off on the next order. And yeah, it's their booklet. So this was a good surprise that I received. I really liked it. Regarding the formula, like I said, if any of you guys are genuinely going to use this, let me know. If you can just pay the shipping cost, I'll surely send it out this to you because I don't need it. Okay guys, so this was it. This was like all the registry boxes. I explained to you how these registries work. I don't remember if I said for Babylist, even on that you have 15% off on one order, and these were all the unboxing of everything. So yeah, hope you like this video, hope you found it little useful, and maybe even you can have the little gifts, free gifts for your little one and for you. And make sure to just leave a like. That is all that I want. So yeah, please do leave a like and comment down below if you want to see any of more videos or anything like that. So thank you, see you, bye bye.